Today, I want to share some strategies for selling your party printables on Etsy. So Etsy is a great way to sell and place to sell printable party products. It's actually my number one choice. And these are decorations and related products that are printed to celebrate special occasions. And some popular party occasions include things like birthdays, weddings, graduations, and baby showers. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's many other niches and sub-niches that fall into this very popular, larger area. So this video, I want to share a little bit about how you can get started on Etsy selling these types of party printables. So what you want to do is, of course, start up with opening an Etsy shop. You might already actually have an account on Etsy, but this is actually from the seller standpoint. So you'd open a shop and you have to put in some basic information. However, I do suggest you sort of think about that first before you just go in and start putting stuff in. You might want to be more strategic and look at other shops that are doing well and then think about what you want to do with that. Now, in terms of putting together your product listings, they really should be high quality. One of the great things about Etsy is that they allow you to include a lot of product images. And with these types of digital download products, you really want to include things that are called mock-ups, where people can actually see how your products might look in real life. And there's a lot of free and paid tools out there that allow you to do that quickly and easily with your screenshots of your products. And of course, you want to use your keyword research and include the types of search terms that people are looking for in your title and your product description. Now, one of the things I also want to mention is that a lot of the sellers who are doing well on Etsy are adding personalization. So people can type in maybe the guest or the host and things along those lines. And of course, you can charge more for that as well. Now, it's a really easy way to do this if you use a personalization partner. And what they do is they actually just seamlessly integrate with you in Etsy, and they allow you to have people be able to hop online and personalize their product after purchase. So it's really nice because you don't really have to do anything. They handle everything. So some of the great partners that actually work with Etsy are Cordial and Template. So I suggest you check those out. And this is an example from Template. It's a tool that allows you to both design your products if you want to in there and offer personalization. And then you can download it and people can go ahead in there and personalize it. So that's a great way to get involved with offering customized products. So one of the things you want to think about too when you're selling on Etsy is that you need to use original images to sell your products, which isn't a huge issue, especially if you're using some type of mock-up program. You can just insert your product and create your own unique image with that. So if you'd like to learn more about getting started quickly with selling these types of party printables, including going over some of the personalization options, you can check out Easy Party Printables. This is my comprehensive training course. And it's great for creating popular products that don't require any writing or very little writing. And I also include done-for-you templates so you can get started and get your own products up quickly and easily.